What's up everyone, welcome to the video. So today we're hitting upper body, and today's main compound movement focus is on the bench press. So this is my second upper body day of the week. The first upper body day was the overhead press workout, which you guys did see already, and so I figured I'd take you through my second upper body day. So here I am just warming up for the bench press, and again guys, I cannot stress how important it is to warm up before all of your lifts, because this will help prime the central nervous system. It'll help prevent any injuries. So what I did was warm up with the bar, and then I threw on 50 pounds, so this is 95 pounds here, and I'm probably going to do about 5 reps. And just like the squat, just like the overhead press, the deadlift, I always acclimate my way up. So basically increasing the weight slowly every time. And again, it primes the central nervous system to get you strong and get you ready for the heavier weights, because I did say this in my last video, but if you do go in and you try to just hit like your 1 rep max, you are not going to be able to do it. But if you work your way up and slowly progressively go more weight, more weight, more weight, it gets your body ready for the load, and you'll be able to most likely crush it if it's obviously not a drastic increase. But yeah, so now we are going to warm up with 135 pounds, and we're just going to do a few reps. Typically I'll do about 5 reps, and then we're going to increase the weight again to 185 pounds. We're going to do about 5 reps, and then again we're going to increase the weight to 225 pounds, where I'll do 3 reps here because my working weight is going to be 235 pounds. So I'm going to shoot for 2 sets of 6. And so here we have 235 pounds on the bar, and as you can see, I'm always in control of the weight. I lower it nice and slow, do a pause at the bottom, and then drive up. You don't want to be aggressively, swinging and jerking the weight, because that could move you out of position, that could tear your pec. Like, that's the last thing you want, is like a torn pec. So lift smart, lift safe, and control the weight. And after every set of bench press, we did some weighted chin-ups. So same rep scheme, so we're going to go for 2 sets of 6, 2 sets of 4, and 2 sets of 2. And then for sets 3 and 4 on the bench press, we bumped the weight up to 250 pounds, where we did successfully hit 2 sets of 4. And yeah, really impressed with my strength, as I am dieting, but I am shuttling the calories all around my training. And I really am a firm believer in nutrient timing, so basically shuttling all your nutrients around your training so that way you can fuel you properly. So outside of my basically training window, I'm not eating like a lot of calories. Like, I've been eating a good amount of carbohydrates before I train, and to tell you the truth, it's like I'm not even that hungry, which is pretty strange. It's like I have the calorie surplus on Sunday, the cheat day, where I'm consuming about 6,000 calories, and then it's like Monday comes, I'm not really that hungry. Tuesday comes, I'm not too hungry. Wednesday, not really hungry. But then towards the end of the week, like Thursday and Friday, is kind of where I start getting a little bit hungrier. So that's where the deficit is really starting to kick in, because towards the end of the week is where I'm already burning through all of the cheat day calories. So it's like I'm ready to refill up again. So I think I'm going to start shuttling more calories on Thursday, so that way I will be able to maintain intensity on the bar for my deadlift. So yeah, here we did hit 275 pounds for a set of 2, and it felt pretty light. So for my 6th set, I ended up bumping it up to 280 pounds, which I did hit for 2 reps. And then next we moved on to some neutral grip shoulder presses. Now 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps here. Now take note with the position of my wrists, I am doing a neutral grip, and I really like the neutral grip because it takes a lot of stress off of the shoulder joint. So if you're ever having like shoulder pain or kind of joint pain in the shoulder rotator cuff area, try to switch up your grip and go with a neutral grip. You could benefit from it. I always press with this neutral grip. And so after every set of these neutral grip presses, I would rest for 90 seconds and do some seated face pulls to the forehead. So this is a great movement for the rear delts as well as scapular retraction. So we did 6 to 8 reps here and repeated that back and forth between the shoulder presses and the face pulls. And then next movement, we had some standing external rotation Cuban presses. So this is pretty much like a 3-part movement. It's almost like an upright row, then a external rotation, and then a shoulder press. So this is really good for shoulder health. So we did 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps and rest for 60 seconds, and then we're going to do some trap 3 raises. Now if you guys have never done trap 3 raises before, I highly recommend them. They are great for shoulder health as well as the rear delts. So we did 6 to 8 reps here, and to do the trap 3 raise, as you see, like, I start off in the relaxed position, then I basically do a shoulder shrug and then do a front lateral raise, and we repeated this for 3 total sets, and then we did some yoke training. Now at the end of every workout I do either like some shoulder shrugs or some neck curls or neck extensions, as I am still trying to bring up my yoke area, which is the traps and the neck. So I did get a lot of this information from Alpha Destiny. He has a lot of great stuff on yoke training. So yeah, that basically wraps up the workout, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, and now let's take a look at my physique. So this is Thursday, so this is 4 days after my cheat day. And so the days right after the cheat day, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I still hold on to a lot of water from all of the carbs, the sodium. So this is Thursday here, and I'm already starting to look better as the water is starting to flush out. My muscles are full, and you can see that they're more defined. So yeah, we are making progress. We are dropping body fat, we are keeping the strength, and yeah, look at that back. The bear mode, man, I really had a great time doing bear mode, my bear mode bulk, and I definitely put on a lot of quality muscle mass, and you know, I did put on some body fat with it, but that happens, you know, when you bulk you are going to put on some body fat, but we are trimming it away, and all while still being able to do cheat days. So I'm really thankful to be able to have a cheat day where I just eat whatever I want. So during the week, you know, I eat a lot of basic clean foods, vegetables, fruits, and so yeah, I know a lot of people were asking me for a full day of cutting diet video, so I will do that pretty soon. I just have a lot going on, but hopefully this week I could film a video. I have my cousin in town, so we've been hanging out a bunch, and we're gonna make the drive up to Boston. And yeah, so I got a lot going on, but we will get those videos out to you guys soon. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that workout. So that was my second upper body day of the week, and as you guys can see, strength is still on the rise. And yes, I did talk about it in the video, how I do basically shuttle all my calories around my training window. So, and I know you guys want a full day of eating. I just have been super busy. I am driving up to Boston on Monday. My cousin is actually in town, so he's gonna drive up with me, and I got a good idea. We're gonna drive from here, we're gonna start the cheat day here, and we're gonna cheat all the way up the coast. So we're gonna try to think of like a good name for the cheat day, like maybe like cheating all the way up to the East Coast, or I don't know, be something cool. But I'm looking forward to the drive. It's gonna be fun. Oh, and I don't have my beard. Reason being because I had to shave it for a photo shoot that I did have the other day with Ashley Furniture. So it's supposed to be like a nationwide commercial, so be on the lookout for that. That should be really cool. And so yeah, my strength is still on the uprise. So I've been shuttling all my calories and nutrients around my training, like I did speak about just a second ago in the video. So yeah, I do have the high calorie cheat day on Sundays, and so that way Monday I'm strong, Tuesday I'm strong, you know, Wednesday I'm not really eating too many calories, Thursday I'm decently strong, but then by the time Friday comes, my deadlift is kind of mediocre. I'm gonna start eating more calories on the Thursday, so that way it carries over to my deadlift session. And so yeah, I'm not really that hungry, which is pretty strange. Like I don't really feel that hungry until like obviously later into the week, because I still have that surplus of calories that's still kind of burning off throughout the week. But yeah, by the time Thursday, Friday comes, I'm starting to get a little bit hungrier. And then you know, Saturday is kind of like an easier day too, but I'm just so anxious to get to Sunday because I want to have the cheat day. But yeah, this has definitely been the easiest approach that I've ever done for dieting. You know, just having this big cheat day. Obviously, as I get leaner, it will start to get a little bit tougher, but I seriously don't think I'm gonna push myself to get to like 6-7% body fat. I have no reason to be at that level. I was always obsessed with being at that level before. I was super diced, super shredded, and my mood was just straight dog shit. So if you guys go back and check like my old vlogs, you can just see how I talk. I'm really like, yeah, so right now I'm having 20 grams of peanut butter. I was just so down, miserable, but I looked great, I looked shredded, but it's not really worth it to me. And so let's take a look at my 2 PRs that I hit this week already. I did hit a 230-pound overhead press, which I'm really stoked for, and a 410-pound squat for a double. So let me show you guys those clips now. So yeah guys, that is it for the video. We are making progress, we're gaining strength, we're dropping body fat, and we're still having cheat days. So it's been a win-win for me. I'm really stoked to keep on moving forward and seeing the conditioning that I can bring while still maintaining my strength, if not even getting stronger. It may slow down, but yeah, I won't let it. Like I'm so focused and so motivated. Yes, there comes a point to where like your body is just kind of beat up and it's had enough, but I really feel like doing these cheat days is really benefiting my strength and maintaining my muscles. So that's gonna be it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next coming cheat day video. I think I'm gonna do the cheat day on Monday. So I usually do it on Sundays, but Monday I think I'm gonna drive up. So we'll probably start it that morning and then just head up the coast and cheat the whole way up there. So, alright, that's gonna conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below. Please leave a like, dislike, subscribe, whatever you guys wanna do. But that's it. Alright guys, peace.